Hey there, fellow plant lovers! It's October, can you believe it? The leaves are turning, the air's getting crisp. But our indoor plants? They're still going strong. Just because it's getting cooler doesn't mean the plant care stops. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few simple tips to keep your plants happy and healthy as we head into winter. And I've even got a little something to help brighten up your home for Christmas. Let's get started. Let's start with something festive. This amaryllis bulb. I love these because they're super easy to grow, and if you plant them now, you'll have gorgeous flowers blooming right around Christmas. Last year I gave one to a friend and they couldn't believe how quickly it shot up. Perfect little holiday surprise. If you want to know about plants perfect for Christmas and New Year gift for your plant lover's friend, you can check the previous video. Back to amaryllis plant. Amaryllis bulb, put in the soil and just give it a nice drink of water. Bulbs need moisture to wake up, but make sure your pot has good drainage. Use a good quality, free-draining compost. This type of soil mix helps prevent waterlogging, which can cause the bulb to rot. No one likes soggy roots? I usually place mine on a sunny windowsill. A few weeks later, you'll see those first green shoots. Trust me, it's like magic. Central heating is essential during the colder months. However, it can create a dry atmosphere that many houseplants find challenging. You might notice the tips of leaves turning brown. This is a sure sign that the air is too dry for your plants. There are several simple solutions to maintain the humidity level. If you want to know about different methods to increase humidity for indoor plants, you can out our previous video, link in I button or end of the video. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Be mindful of where you position your plants. Avoid placing them too close to radiators or in drafty areas. Cold drafts can be just as damaging as dry air. Consider moving them to a cooler spot, but still near some good light. They'll perk up, I promise. Many popular houseplants, such as Monstera deliciosa and pothos, are natural climbers. These plants have a natural tendency to grow upwards, seeking out support structures to help them reach new heights. They thrive when given a support structure to climb, as it mimics their natural habitat where they would climb trees and other tall structures. A moss pole is an excellent option for these plants. It provides a sturdy and natural-looking support that blends seamlessly with your indoor garden. It replicates their natural growing environment, allowing them to grow in a way that feels familiar and comfortable. A moss pole provides support for the plant's stem, helping it to grow upright and strong. It also offers a surface for the aerial roots to attach to, which is crucial for the plant's stability and nutrient absorption. This encourages the plant to grow taller and fuller, making it a stunning focal point in any room. It can even lead to larger leaves, depending on the variety, enhancing the plant's overall appearance and health. Over time, you'll notice your plant becoming more robust and vibrant. Illuminating growth. Embracing the power of grow lights. As the days shorten, our plants receive less natural sunlight. This can lead to leggy growth and a lack of vigor. I use grow lights to keep my plants happy all year long. Grow lights provide the specific wavelengths of light that plants need for grow. They are particularly beneficial for plants that require bright indirect light. Place your grow lights a few inches above your plants. Adjust the height as needed to prevent the leaves from becoming scorched. Use a timer to provide your plants with a consistent amount of light each day. Last time I covered everything you need to know about picking the perfect grow light for your indoor plants. If you missed it, no worries. You can catch that video by clicking the I button up or find the link at the end of this one. Leaf hygiene. Unlocking the secrets to photosynthesis. Dust and grime can accumulate on plant leaves, especially indoors. This layer of dirt acts as a barrier. It prevents the plant from absorbing light efficiently. Regular cleaning can significantly impact your plant's health and vitality. Gently wipe the leaves with a soft, damp cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. For larger-leaved plants, you can give them a gentle shower in the sink or bath. Allow the plant to dry completely before returning it to its usual spot. Clean leaves are happy leaves. They can photosynthesize effectively, resulting in healthy growth and vibrant foliage. Succulent propagation, multiplying green friends this autumn. Autumn is an ideal time to take cuttings from your succulents. It allows them to root over the winter months. This is a simple and rewarding way to expand your plant collection. Choose a healthy stem and use a sharp, clean knife or pair of scissors to take a cutting. Allow the cutting to callus over for a few days. Then plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Water sparingly and place the cutting in a bright location. Avoid direct sunlight until it has rooted. With a little patience, you'll soon have a new succulent to enjoy. And that's it! Simple steps to keep your plants thriving through autumn and ready for winter. Got more plant care questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help your green friends thrive. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel Houseplants Love for more plant care tips, and I'll see you in the next one.